Welcome to this video on tolerance essentials, a crucial aspect of clothing quality standards. We will explore what tolerance is and why it matters for global sizing and quality. Tolerance is the allowable range of deviation from the target measurement of a garment. It's the accepted difference in size that still results in a quality product. Tolerance is important because variations occur during the manufacturing process, especially when producing thousands of garments. These variations can affect the final size and fit. The first process where variations occur is cutting. Factors like fabric relaxation after spreading and the thickness of multiple layers can lead to slight deviations from the marker size. Sewing is the second process, which heavily relies on human skill. Variations can occur due to seam allowance inaccuracies, operator fatigue, and machine tension causing fabric pull. Washing is the third process that significantly changes the garment's measurements. Shrinkage from heat and water, and the natural properties of fabrics like cotton cause size reduction. In summary, major causes of deviations include cutting errors from multiple layers, variations in sewing skill, and the shrinkage that happens during the washing process. Because achieving a 100% exact size is difficult, measurement allowance or tolerance is essential. An item is considered good quality if its measurements fall within the permissible limit, ensuring fit accuracy. Here is an example of a finished measurement chart. Note the different tolerance levels applied to various parts of the garment, such as the waist, bust, and sleeve length. Let's see how tolerance works with an example of a 72 centimeters waist with a tolerance of plus or minus 1.0 centimeters. The acceptable range is between 71 centimeters and 73 centimeters. Tolerance generally ranges from plus or minus 0.5 centimeters for very tight areas to plus or minus 2.0 centimeters for loose or oversized styles. Always specify tolerance clearly in the pattern chart. Thank you for watching this video on clothing quality standards and the importance of the tolerance guide. We hope this has been informative.